Hi. Hi. Okay guys, we're back. We're gonna go up here. Let's go! Hold on, come on! Woo! We were just there. This cliff is even higher. Wow. Check this out. Oh, it really smells gross up here, man. This is dangerous. Say hello to YouTube fans.
Hello.
This is my friend. Well, it's not really my friend. It's my classmate Stefan. How are you doing, Stefan?
Fine.
Say hello to the YouTube fans. Oh yeah.
There's a grill.
There's like a red thing over there. There's a red thing over there. I think it's a grill. What the heck is this? Yeah. Skulum ekki fara ofan í þetta.
Óttan að taka mynd af mér.
Yeah.
Það er taka vídeo.
Alright guys, we're thinking about ending the video here to take pictures. Okay, let's just gonna check that out. Holy guys. Whoa, whoa. Man missed ykkur heyrnartól. Það missed ykkur heyrnartól. Is it yours?
It's mine.
Alright.
I was fucked.
Okay, áttu að taka mynd eða? Alright. Well guys, look at this, really.
Guys, come on! Don't be
Oh wow, tökum við